concept of adsorption is you calculate the amount that has been removed by the solid substrate.
Yeah.
So a little bit of analytical technique comes here. In the lab, you added 50 ml, am I right?
Yep.
But you took only 5 ml and titrated
Yeah.
it. So you have an option here. You can use the 5 ml one, but then your initial should be in 5 ml as well, eh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Not
Yes.
50. You can't compare two different volumes. So if you are taking 50,
Use the
then you have to convert your 5 ml into
50 ml.
So that is 50-50. Then you check the difference,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
According to Langmuir's rule, as the concentration increases, the amount absorbed should also increase.
Increase. Yeah.
That is what the requirement.
Then yeah.
So, when you look at adsorption, it is amount removed. Right? So you will have to do initial minus final.
Final.
Right? So your initial will be a bit more, your final will be a little bit less.
Yes.
So the difference is the amount
Absorb.
removed. This final one is determined when the system has gone into equilibrium. Right? That means you will only determine the concentration of the final solution when the system is in equilibrium. So, the concentration of the final one is called CE. Right? That is the concentration of your solution is CE. What it means is that the amount that is in the solution is also on the. So if you divide this, see, remember this can be in moles, depending on which calculation you are using, right? If it mole minus mole, then it is moles. If it gram minus gram, then it is in grams. Or you can change the moles to grams by multiplying by the MR. If you know the adsorbate, eh?
Yeah.
So this part here can be gram or moles divided by the mass of the adsorbent. So how much did you take?
2 grams.
About 2 grams,
Yeah.
yeah?
2 grams.
So that will come in here. Right? So this part here becomes your QE. Why E?
The
It
equilibrium.
is the amount removed at equilibrium.
Equilibrium.
And see, from here you know this, you know this. That's all you are required to do from that step. Then what do you do? We want to know
Which
your
isotope?
adsorption is like what.
Yeah. Accept
So you try the model.
Yeah.
So in this course we are going to do, in your lab we are going to do 2 models.
Langmuir and
But in this course we are going to learn 3 models. The first model is
Langmuir.
Langmuir.
Yeah.
Second one is
Privilege.
Friendly, and the third one is
Brown
BET.
Bit.
Right?
Yeah.
These 3 models are basically going to tell you the mechanism under which the adsorption is taking place, which you can't see. So what you will do is basically get these 2 data only, go to the Langmuir model, Friendly model, and BET model. All of them are, all these equations are power law equations. That means it's to the power something.
Exponential.
So what do?
ln.
You have to bring those power law
Down.
equations into linear form. The one that comes into the linear form, then you plot the linear graph. Understood?
Yes.
Then check which one is the most
R
linear.
squared.
So in your case, you are going to do 2, this one and this one.
Village.
Right?
You.
I told you that one of my master's students who was working on preparation of bacterial cellulose. You know how bacterial cellulose are made, right?
You.
We take coconut water, we take sugar, we take vinegar, and then you add the bacteria. And while the bacteria was making the cellulose, she added some kappa carrageenan, that means some extract from the seaweed, into the solution. Hoping the bacteria will take the kappa to it and join it in the bacterial cellulose. Clear?
Mm.
So cellulose is made up of?
Of oil.
Hmm?
Juice.
Cellulose is a polymer made up of glucose.
Oh.
Glucose molecule joined together, it will give you starch, and if it is differently joined, then it becomes a cellulose. Cellulose does not get digested in your stomach. Why? Because the bacterial enzyme cannot break down the crystal structure of cellulose. That's why doctors advise you to eat a lot of vegetables, so that when you take in the cellulose, it's a roughage. I don't know, some of you giving me a black book as if you're doing biology for nothing. Bio, remove the bio. That's why we have only two staff there now, right?
Yeah.
Ajay and Ketan. Ketan retiring at the end of the year. Who's coming next year? Only Ajay.
Oh wow.
What is on your side? Telling you to work hard.